Put a finger down diary edition. Let's check your day. Put a finger down if you prayed today. Put a finger down if you avoided gossip today. Put a finger down if you helped someone today. Put a finger down if you prayed today. Put a finger down if you gave charity today. Put a finger down if you shared food today. Put a finger down if you thanked Allah today. Put a finger down if you forgave someone today. Put a finger down if you obeyed elders today. Put a finger down if you made zikr today.
Put a finger down if you did ablution today. Put a finger down if you got knowledge today. Put a finger down if you reflected today. Put a finger down if you stayed patient today. Put a finger down if you apologized today. Put a finger down if you smiled today. Put a finger down if you avoided haram today. Put a finger down if you dressed modestly today. Put a finger down if you kept a promise today. Put a finger down if you visited someone sick today. Put a finger down if you controlled anger today. Put a finger down if you read Quran today. Put a finger down if you lowered your gaze today. Put a finger down if you helped your mom today. Put a finger down if you sent salawat today.
Comment your score below. Hit a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel.